Hi, this is Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, you will learn about the Set Permission Rights node and how it's used in Catenis Flow. If you haven't yet watched these two tutorials, pause the video now and watch them. Then come back to this link. The Set Permission Rights node sets the permission rights for a specific permission event on the virtual device issuing the request. The subject controls its own permissions as to whether or not any other devices have the capacity to perform a permissioned event with it. All permissions are set from the perspective of the virtual device issuing the request. Drag a Set Permission Rights node into the workspace. Name the node using the name field, and set a Catenis virtual device in the connection field. There are 14 Catenis Flow fields on the Properties panel of this node. The first field is the Events field. You can review these options by going back to the tutorial titled Permission Events, which you can see here. The System Right field allows you to control the allow or deny permission rights that you will be applying to the permission event you select. The Allowed Catenis Node Indices field can be used to allow access to given permission events across all Catenis nodes that are listed in this field. The Denied Catenis Node Indices field can be used to deny access to given permission events across all Catenis nodes that are listed in this field. The Clear Catenis Node Indices field clears any previously set permissions for a given permission event at the Catenis node level. The special wildcard character, star, can be used in the Clear Catenis Node Indices field to indicate that the rights for all Catenis nodes should be removed. Since each Catenis node can have many clients, we can use the Allowed Client IDs to set which clients are allowed by ID. A client is a structural unit within a Catenis node. You can specify the clients across a node that are allowed the permissioned event by listing each client ID. The Denied Client IDs field is the opposite of the Allowed Client IDs field and allows you to specify the clients across a node that are denied the permissioned event by listing each client ID. The Clear Client IDs field clears any previously set permissions for a given permission event at the Catenis node client level. The special wildcard character, star, can also be used in the Clear Catenis Node Indices field to indicate that the rights for all clients should be removed. The Allowed Device IDs field enables you to set allow access to a given permission event across all Catenis devices that are listed in this field. The Allowed Device Product Unique ID field is used to allow access to a given permission event across all Catenis devices that use a product unique ID in this field. Use the Denied Device ID field to deny access to a given permission event across all Catenis devices that are listed in this field. Use the Denied Device Product Unique ID field to allow access to a given permission event across all Catenis devices that use a product unique ID in this field. Use the Clear Device ID field to clear all permissions that you have previously set for a given permission event using device IDs. Use the Clear Device Product Unique ID field to clear all permissions that you have previously set for a given permission event using device product unique IDs. The special wildcard character star can also be used in the Clear Device ID field or in the Clear Device Product Unique ID field to indicate that the rights for all devices should be removed. Now, let's take a look at the example flow found at this link. Copy the example flow, click the red node hamburger menu, and click Import to display the Import Flow dialog box. Paste the flow into the import box and click the Import button. This flow is a working example implementing the Set Permission Rights node. Note that after importing the example flow, you will need to set the Catenis Flow nodes to your own previously configured virtual device. Note that inputs injected into Catenis Flow nodes containing alternate node properties will override the properties set on the Node Slide-Out Properties panel. You can pause this tutorial now to explore this flow on your own, and in the next video, you'll learn how to create this flow from scratch. Excellent! Now you should understand Set Permission Rights nodes. In our next video, you'll learn how to use this node in runtime mode.